What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Okay, so what happened was I was in the middle of working on a doll room. Let's build a little shelf right here. And then I thought to myself, let's just run to Target real fast and take a look around. And I found Zuru Mini Brands Fashion Series 3. $100 later. Priced at $9.99, there are 60 plus iconic minis to collect. In this series, the capsules are yellow, and there are ultra rare limited edition minis. Let's do this. Mini Brands Fashion is probably one of my favorite mini brands collections, but I could still do without the capsules, you know. Make them square. Sorry. I mean, please. That way we could stack them, make shelves, and display our collection. Just saying. Here is the collector's guide showing the ultra rare minis. Then there is common, which look pretty good. Well, hello there. I want these. Mainly the pink one and the white one. There are a few hats, some press-on nails. On the back, we have lipstick. Looks like we have some scarves, glasses, headbands, bows, earrings, necklaces, belts, bows, bracelets, hip bags, and cats. There are 2 bags, and our first one is a little Louis Vuitton inspired bag, I think. Let's just say I know dolls, I don't know purses, but I do like purses for my dolls. So I have no shame in using Google to help me try to figure out what the inspiration for the bag is. Although I did know that this one was Louis Vuitton. And if I'm saying it wrong, I do apologize. But this is super cute and miniature. There's a little buckle. It does open. Nice. And it's perfectly doll-sized. In the other bag, we have purple press-on nails. We can peel them off and place them on a doll so the doll can have press-on nails. They are stickers, and I could totally see these ending up on all my doll clothes, so I'm probably just gonna leave them here. We have a silver colored necklace. Can it fit a Barbie? Oh yeah, it does. And there is a headband. It can also fit my doll, but it is totally squeezing her head. Oh, but I am loving the look of these. We have some brown sunglasses. They can open, and they are a perfect fit on my doll. Looks like Christmas came early, Mini Toya. Let's switch into something a little more festive. The red turtleneck and pencil skirt from Elite Doll World. Honestly, I'm loving those glasses. And we'll just put this little purse under the tree. And let's open more. This is our second capsule. I did notice that we didn't get any stickers that had pictures of the bags. And I'm not complaining. Cute! It's a little brown fringe purse. It does need to be flattened or smoothed out a little, but I think this works. To draw it in, yeah, it does. There is plenty of space to hold all of our dolls' miniature things, so we can check that one off the list. Google is saying there are a lot of similar bags, including a Michael Kors French purse. And the accessories are... Ooh, a scarf! Love the scarves. They've got a little bit of stretch to them. We have red nails this time. A silver and green necklace. I like that they painted the details. And we have some red lip gloss. And it does open. And the scale looks pretty good with our dolls. Oh, love it! Capsule number 3. Starting with the bag first, we have what looks like a Louis Vuitton inspired bag. It's a brown satchel and has little patches. Oh wow, there's a working zipper and a little tag on the side. Oh wow. Let's check out the accessories. We have a gold necklace with a little heart. Kind of cute. There's a cluster of silver bracelets, a brown mini fashion headband, This one fits Mini Toya a little better, and more purple nail stickers. I think these replace the stickers of the purses. This is my kind of Christmas tree. Capsule number 4. This feels like a box? Let's see. Ooh, it's like a little gold cage bucket with pearls. It does open, and there's a small satin bag on the inside. The level of detail in these bags, found at Target, is honestly just going to explode my brain. This one's wrapped in tissue. And we have a bracelet. It's white with little gold painted details, and I think it complements the purse. We have another gold heart necklace, purple nail stickers, and a green headband. And check that out. The necklaces are actually 2 different shades of gold. But this might be one of my favorite bags so far. I was pleasantly surprised. Check. Number 5. Can you see through the paper? Does that look red? It's pink! Loving this pattern on the fabric. It looks like it is stamped into the faux leather. It has a strap that says Mini Fashion in gold. It opens and there is a magnet to help keep it closed. And it's finished on the inside as well. It fits the doll, but let's change her outfit. Okay, yes. Love this look. Oh yeah, and the accessories. We have a black hair bow with a white flower button on a large rubber band. I put it in Mini Toya's hair. There's a gold colored bracelet with charms. It's a little loose on my doll, but it's a flexible plastic, so we can just try and bend it. We have another silver necklace and gold nails. Cool. Capsule number 6 is a red purse with a little quilt pattern on the front. It has a chain and we can adjust it. There's a gold Mini Fashion on the front. It opens and there is a magnet. It has a little velvet lining on the inside, and it can totally be worn as a crossbody bag. So far, my bags have been pretty neat, other than the fringe on that one purse, but yeah, not bad. Let's open the accessories. Oh, this is not a hip bag. What is it? Is it supposed to be like a little purse watch? Do you put it on your arm? Someone let me know in the comments down below because I have no idea. We have a pair of red glasses. Nice. Now we have the red purse and the red glasses. We have more nail stickers and a pair of earrings that can fit a Barbie with factory pierced ears. Nice. But the posts are pretty short, so just be aware of that. Capsule number 7. Kind of excited. Oh, it's like burlap, but it's a little softer. It's like a pink tote bag with faux leather at the top, a Mini Fashion logo, and it does open. Oh, and it's kind of cute. Let's open the accessories. We get a gold colored headband, and this is probably my favorite headband so far. It easily fits on the doll and it's not too thick. We have a hat with a ribbon. It can fit a Barbie, gold nail stickers, and silver and green earrings. The earrings match the set from earlier, and I think this is a pretty set. I'm gonna take a little of my magnetic nail polish from Mooncat. See how it changes when I hold a magnet over it? I place a little nail polish on the necklace, and then we're going to use the magnet to try and give it a little sparkle. Opening our 8th capsule and looking at all of the purses over there. You know what I'm thinking, but I'm not saying it. But I didn't say it! It's the red purse again. And our first double bag. Let's open the accessories. We got our second pair of red glasses, red nails, our second pair of gold earrings, And another one of these things. Oh, it's an ankle bag. I get it. So now we have 2 ankle bags. Capsule number 9. And we were doing so good. We didn't get a double until our 8th capsule. And this is not a double. It's the tote bag in cream. Okay. And to go with it, we have our 3rd gold necklace, 3rd pair of gold earrings, more nails, and a scarf. I like the scarves. I don't know. This may be my favorite series yet. Which brings us to our last capsule. Oh wait, I made a short. And I got this purse. It's white with a faux buckle and little roses. There's a chain. Our dolls can wear it as a crossbody bag or over the shoulder. I got a 3rd silver necklace, my 2nd lip gloss. Can you see that they painted the end red? I love all those little details. And we got a pink baseball cap with roses, and it even has texture. Check that out. And yes, it can fit a Barbie. And now we are opening our last capsule on camera. I wouldn't mind getting that little mushroom bag or the black and white one. Those look adorable. Let's see which one it is. It's black. Ooh! The jump rings were a little loose, so I had to fix them, but not too bad. I like this purse. It looks like something I would have in real life. The fabric is pretty smooth. There's a little chain detail hanging down and a silver mini fashion emblem. And there is a working zipper. I'm just gonna leave that alone. I have a history of breaking zippers on tiny purses. But it looks like a very cute little everyday purse. The accessories are another pair of earrings, a gold charm bracelet, a black ankle bag, here it is on a doll, and another pair of gold nails. So we opened 10 capsules today, plus 1 from a short, and we only got 1 double. This is completely unheard of for me, but I'll take it. And I wonder, can I keep this going? This makes my 12th Series 3 capsule. There are still a few bags that I am looking for, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, is this a double? Or is this one of the bags we want? It is... Yes! It's not a double, it's the black and white bag. It does open, looks pretty neat on the inside, and it's looking pretty fancy with the dolls. We are hoping for new accessories as well. And we have another gold headband, that's a double, and a belt. It's a faux leather belt with the mini fashion in gold. Oops, and it just came apart. I can fix it. I am just gluing it back together, and keep in mind, this is just my experience and yours could be different. But seriously, be careful. It's a little bulky and short on my doll, but that could be my fault. So I might have to keep it on the shelf as a prop. I got another gold necklace and gold nail stickers. Not bad, Mini Toya. 12 capsules and only 1 double. Yeah! Overall, I am enjoying this series. I think we're getting some really cute bags for the dollhouse. Everything seems like a pretty good size for 1/6 scale. And tons of nail stickers for all the dolls. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. I am putting these nail stickers on my doll. We do get a little outline around them, and not all of the stickers are perfectly cut. But if you're careful and have a little patience, you can totally give your dolls a manicure, making these useful stickers. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Mini Brand's fashion. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Yeah, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.